Hey everyone, welcome back to Hypno-Tech. Today we're diving into some awesome upgrades for your iconic Herman Miller Aeron chair. Here we are upgrading a much-loved Aeron Classic manufactured in 2009. All these upgrades can also be done to any of the newer Aeron chairs. If you love your Aeron but feel it could use a little extra comfort and functionality, stay tuned. We've got 4 fantastic upgrades that will transform your Aeron. These include vinyl arm pads, a seat foam insert replacement, a Ergoking headrest, and finally some silicone rollerblade caster wheels. Check the video description for items purchased and prices. Let's get started. First up, we're going to tackle the seat. Specifically, the foam pad at the front of your seat. Over time, the foam in your Aeron chair can flatten, reducing its support. We're going to replace the seat foam insert. This foam insert came with 3M adhesive tape attached and should never come loose if applied securely. Here we use a plastic bag to remove the existing foam. Take your time. These foam strips tend to soak up all sorts of gunk over the years. For hygienic reasons, use gloves or a plastic bag to avoid contact with the old foam. Carefully peel off the old foam and unpeel 3M adhesive tape to secure the new foam insert. This upgrade ensures better thigh support and comfort for those long hours at your desk. Next, let's talk about the vinyl arm pads. The original arm pads are great, but after years of use, they can wear out and become uncomfortable. Most of the originals will end up losing their soft touch. Replacing them with new vinyl arm pads is a straightforward upgrade that adds a touch of luxury and comfort. To replace the arm pads, you'll need to remove the old ones. Typically, this involves unscrewing them from the base. Once removed, align the new vinyl arm pads and screw them in place. It's that simple. Now your arms can rest comfortably on these sleek, durable pads. Moving on to the headrest. The Ergoking headrest is a popular addition for those seeking extra neck and head support. It's designed specifically for the Aeron chair, so it fits perfectly and provides excellent ergonomic benefits. Considering this is also one of the cheapest headrest options for the Aeron, we're impressed with the solid build quality and multiple adjustment levels. Both the frame and mesh closely matches the Aeron Classic. Most won't even realize that it's an aftermarket add-on, as it looks like it originally came with the Aeron. What sets this headrest apart from the competition is the price, build quality, and the unique removable coat hanger. Last but not least, let's upgrade those original caster wheels. The standard Aeron wheels are good, but these silicone rollerblade type caster wheels offer a smoother and quieter glide. They're also gentler on your floors, whether it's hardwood, tiles, carpet, or laminates. And there you have it. With these simple upgrades including a new seat foam insert, soft-touch vinyl arm pads, a Ergoking headrest, and silicone rollerblade caster wheels, your Herman Miller Aeron chair is now more comfortable, ergonomic, and stylish than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Hip No Tech for more tips and upgrades. Let me know in the comments what other upgrades you'd like to see. Until next time, happy sitting.